Do you want to add up to an additional 150 horsepower to your diesel while reducing your EGTs by 100 to 300 degrees and ridding your engine of carbon buildup? Then you need this Stage 1 diesel water methanol system from Snow Performance. We have combined performance, quality, and ease of installation into the most cost-effective water methanol injection system on the market. Get ready to make more power more efficiently out of an engine that's running cooler and cleaner than ever thanks to the benefits of water methanol injection. This system utilizes a user-adjustable boost pressure switch and dual hypersonic nozzles to deliver precise amounts of water methanol once the set boost PSI has been reached. The hypersonic nozzles provide you with the ultimate in atomization and distribution. We recommend water methanol for all high boost and competition diesels that are looking to increase horsepower while decreasing EGTs when on heavy throttle. This system includes an easy to mount, race-ready 3-quart composite tank, 100% water methanol resistant fittings, braided stainless steel line, our 300 PSI ultra high output pump for more flow than the competition, and all of the needed hardware to complete the installation. If you're wanting to turn your diesel into a different beast, this is exactly what you need. For more information, you can visit us at www.snowperformance.net or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.